Yes, I'm my father's son, and live my life just like my father's done. If he told me one day that somebody held my heart in chains, would I believe it? No way. Made up my mind and never fall that way. But tell me why every time I try to tell you it's goodbye, I can seem to let go in my heart. I know I want to say what I'm trying to say. Heart over mind, yes, I